What's up? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are starting to see the inception of many Bitcoin layer 2s and alternatives out there in the market. And actually, this one is the world's first layer 2. And I want to talk about why this could be big, because right now Bitcoin is sitting at 103.4K, and it is actually teasing the fact that it could all-time high any minute now, any day now, maybe even in the next 7 days, we could see 110K Bitcoin. And this is my personal prediction that we'll see $110,000 to $112,000 Bitcoin. So yeah, this is all speculative, of course, but right now, the market is becoming greedy. It's becoming hot. We are starting to see a lot of new liquidity and interest in the market yet again. A very good day, a very good week here for cryptos. And there is this new token here, Bitcoin Hyper, which launches its pre-sale to unlock fast, cheap, and it's as powerful as Bitcoin. So this is absolutely insane. Bitcoin Hyper, it says, if you've ever used Bitcoin, you know the common frustrations. Transactions can take a long time, right, on the blockchain. Fees can get expensive, especially when the network is busy. It says here, a new project called Bitcoin Hyper believes it has found the answer. It's being introduced as the first true layer 2 network built specifically for Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin Hyper effectively? Well, we can see here it says Bitcoin Hyper is designed to do something powerful and simple. It makes Bitcoin transactions faster and cheaper, and also unlock new features that Bitcoin has never had before. So we're going to delve into this quick. I'm going to show you it real quick. We can see here, literally only live for about 7 days. May 8th is when it went live. The Hyper pre-sale is now live. So get up to speed with it, check it out. I'll leave a link down below where you can research it too. But here is the website. So Bitcoin Hyper 2 looks really good. Firstly, look at those staking rewards, 5,514%. That is pretty big. The first ever Bitcoin layer 2, Bitcoin scalability and speed is finally here. It says here the best Bitcoin layer 2 presale by Hyper before it powers the fastest layer in Bitcoin history. You can see they've got their coin salt and solid proof audits here for safety. But look, they've just literally gone live. 113K has been raised in days, and one Hyper token is $0.0115. This will be an ERC20 token, I can imagine. Click here, convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of tokens. So the link is down below to research it and have a look at the token. You can see here, scale beyond blocks. Bitcoin Hyper brings limitless throughput to the Bitcoin ecosystem, experience Bitcoin with instant finality. And also it says here, Bitcoin Hyper's L2 places the power of meme coins into Bitcoin's ecosystem. So pretty cool. Bitcoin layer 2, the actual network map, the way this thing works is you've got the bridging, you've got the layer 2 operations, the settlements and security, and then the withdrawals out to the layer 1 side of things. So the layer 2 frameworks powering scalability that you've got here, things like optimism, ZK rollups, lightning networks, sidechains, scalability. Does look really, really cool, I must say. So like it, a lot of Bitcoin news at the moment, and the bigger Bitcoin becomes, the bigger coins like this can also become at the same time. Tokenomically, pretty good. Treasury gets 25%, rewards 15%. Listing at 10%, marketing goes 20%, and development is a big 30% right there. And of course, a lot of KOLs are starting to really recognize this token as it's spreading like wildfire. The word for this coin is really, really spreading like wildfire at the moment. So it does look very cool. Probably going to get a bag of this one for sure, just because I do like the angle. I like the utility side of it. But guys, always remember, this video isn't financial advice and I don't know the future, but it just looks like it could potentially do really, really good looking through the fundamental side here and the utility side of this particular coin. So do a bit of research, do a bit of due diligence down below, have a look at the coin and see what you think. Bitcoin Hyper, like I say, very fresh. This is just the beginning. So if you're seeing this very early into this project, I really hope we see that 10 to 100x over here. Yeah, let us know down below what you think of this coin. Like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, and be sure to jump into my Discord, Jacob's Crypto Clan. It's completely free to join. Our traders are making huge gains, and you can ask about Bitcoin Hyper in the Discord. If you've got any questions about Bitcoin Hyper, layer 2, then feel free to ask down below. It's absolutely fine in the Discord. We'll get back to you. See you soon. Subscribe and like. Peace.